Hey YouTubers, just a quick video on how easy it is to make a delicious cannelloni at home. Just gonna show you the easy steps on how to fill actually the oven tray. The recipe on the meat and the tomato sauce you can find in the caption below the video. What I like to do is just before filling the tubes is mix some grated cheese with the meat, because it will keep the meat a little bit more moist inside the cannelloni tubes. I used some grated Gouda, Emmental cheese and some Parmesan for some extra taste. Just first step is putting some tomato sauce at the base of your oven tray. You will need approximately like half a centimeter to a centimeter of tomato sauce, just to keep the cannelloni moist at the bottom. Do not put it in your oven tray without any sauce, because you will burn the cannelloni. So next step is filling up the cannelloni tubes with the meat. We're just going to use a small spoon to fill them up. Just try to press it together a little bit inside the tube. This will be better for the structure later when you're eating them. So just put it in with a spoon and really make sure you stuff them really well. So then you simply place the cannellonis inside the oven tray on top of the sauce. Just make sure you leave a little bit of space between the cannellonis, because they will need the sauce to cook all the way around. We're gonna repeat this step. I'm gonna fast forward the video a little bit because it's way too boring to see me doing this. It will take you approximately 10 to 15 minutes to fill up a whole oven tray for 4 to 5 people. Next step, when we fill the whole tray, we're gonna add some grated cheese on top. Then we will put some cream, and then we fill it up with tomato sauce until everything is really well covered. Some grated cheese on top to gratinate, and we're ready to go into the oven. I put my cannelloni approximately like 50 to 60 minutes on 170-180 degrees. And there we go. Look at that result. An amazing dish. Cannelloni with carne in tomato sauce. Let's see how we did. Looks super good. No excess of sauce. It looks a lot in the beginning, but you will see the pasta will absorb all of the moist, and you will have this great looking cannelloni to serve to your friends or family. Enjoy, you guys.